Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add and remove fields from page layouts in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, adding and removing fields from the page layouts is essential for customizing how information is displayed and accessed by users, because page layouts determine the fields and related lists that appear on records on Salesforce, such as leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and a lot more. Now, once you are on your dashboard, I need you to hover to the Object Manager section, and from here, click on the account. What will happen is, you see there's going to be a second option that says page layouts. I want you to click on it. You see, if you haven't already, you can simply click on the new page layout assignment if you have done that. All right, now here, since I have already a sample of the page layout here, I'm going to click on the account layout. And here, this is going to be the field section right here. All right, so edit, change owner, record type, and a lot more. All right, so you have the fields section. These are going to be the fields that you have: blank space, account, and a lot more. All right. Now you see this one is one of the fields that is already part of the page layout. And if you want to remove this, it's going to be easy. All I got to do is drag this to the top, the billing address. It's going to be forwarded here. Now, the billing address will no longer part of the fields in the page layout. It's a very simple process and it's easy to do. Like, for example, the mobile card right here. This one, if you want to remove this, just drag it down, drag it going up to this field right here. All right, now if you wanted to bring this back or add this again, all I'm gonna do is drag this down at the bottom again. It's a very straightforward process. And you also have an option here that says new. That's how you add and remove fields in the Salesforce. All right, remember that by carefully adding and removing fields from page layouts in Salesforce, organizations can optimize the productivity, improve data quality, and of course, ensure that Salesforce effectively supports their business processes and objectives. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.